So I've had this question a couple of times: why am I getting no coffee, the grinds are dry, or the tray is filling with water? This is most likely due to the drainage valve. A lot of the times the seals wear out and you need to tear down the whole unit to get to the drainage valve. If you look at the link below, it will show you how to replace these. You might just want to have a look at this first before you tear down the whole unit. The white cap to the drainage valve gets loose over time, not allowing the spring to pull back the shaft, so the water pumps directly into the tray. A quick fix to this without disassembling the whole unit is to pop off the white cap with a flathead screwdriver. It's a bit tricky like this, but is possible. Once you've got the white cap off, drop a couple of drops of glue into the cap. Then put it back into the unit, but make sure you pull the shaft all the way back into the cap, otherwise this won't work. This should fix your problem.